Hi guys, I'm your host of channel Monty. Today we are going to learn about a folding napkin.
Yes, we have bringing the folding napkins presentation from the portion of Grace and Courtesy. And what material you needed in this presentation? You needed 9 napkins, 4 with median lines, 4 with diagonal line, and 1 without line. One of each set has 1 diagonal line and 1 median line. Second of each set have 2 guidelines, 2 diagonal lines and 2 median lines. Third of each set have 3 guidelines. Fourth of each set have 4 guidelines and 1 is without line. After doing this presentation, your child will be able to fold the napkins as well as it is an indirect preparation of geometry. Take the consent of the child, wash and dry your hands. Bring the material to the place of presentation. Spread the napkin with 1 diagonal line between you and the child. Tell the child, watch me carefully. Now I am going to fold this napkin. Place the left hand on the left side of the napkin. Hold the opposite corners of the napkin with pincer grip. Bring it across the other opposite corner. Overlap the corners. Remove the left hand from a napkin. Show the folded napkin to the child and keep it on left top corner of table. Take out the other napkin from the tray and spread it. Spread the napkin between you and the child on the table. Hold the right corner of the napkin with right hand and left corner of the napkin with left hand. Napkin will be folded in rectangular shape. The second of each set have 2 guidelines. Third of each set have 3 guidelines. This is the first step and this one is the second step and this one is the third step and this one is the fourth step.
If you like our video, subscribe and like us. Stay tuned with Monty Sensation. Thank you. Bye-bye.